Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and today we're going to be unboxing the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 Super. Now this is a card that we've actually bought for one of our own machines, so this is not a review card, this is something that we've purchased. Let's just quickly go ahead, open it up and see what you get inside the box. Now, in case you're wondering why the Super, there's actually a long story behind it. Why did we go with the 2070 Super? So the machine that we're building is ideally going to be used for a lot of special effects work. And before we get into that, here is your first look at the RTX 2070 Super right out of the box. It's actually fairly cool because it comes shrink wrapped, which makes a lot of noise. So let's just get that out of the way. It's a fairly heavy card. It's got these two fans on the front, which is basically designed to exhaust heat, and this glossy middle in the part. Personally, I would have preferred if NVIDIA had just stuck to using matte black over here, but the mirrored finish on some PCs, depending on how you design it, could actually work to your benefit. It takes 8+6 power connectors on the top, so that you're going to need a pretty hefty power supply for that, and this is easily going to eat up two of your PCIe slots at the back. So just a quick unboxing. Let's see what else is in the box. So there's a little pull out over here with cute little GeForce manual over here, a quick start guide, and there's also a display port to DVI converter in the box, so that's pretty cool. This is actually going to come in handy for a lot of people who are still using old school monitors. So this card is not just a great choice for gamers, but also a lot of creative professionals, and that's actually why we chose to go with this one. So we're building a PC for our VFX artist, and he needed a system that could run Premiere and After Effects, cut 4K footage, all without missing a beat. So we've got a bunch of components, the RTX 2070 Super being one of them, and this is what's going to go into this build for our VFX artist. So you'll see a host of these unboxings and a host of components. We're going to talk about why we bought them. You're going to see us actually build the PC. So I would recommend that you subscribe to our channel to see how this whole project is going to unfold. So thank you guys for watching this video, and in case you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you guys for watching.